Okay, so this is the stuff I got at between Dollar Tree and Harris Teeter earlier. So I got a lot of the stuff from the dollar store for $1. And this is all stuff that we're going to use to put in the baskets for Mother's Day. So we originally started out with these, but I was thinking these are going to be too big to fill up. We're making bath salts, bath sugar scrub, and a like a whipped body cream to put on after you get out of the shower. So that's what this is for, and I've never done this before, so this is going to be my first time trying to do this, but it should be interesting. And then I got these to just throw into the baskets along with these little fingernail polishes, and this is Sinful Colors brand that you can get at Walmart for like $3, and it's 2 for 1 at the Dollar Tree, so I was pretty impressed with that. So we got our little tags that we're going to use, got glitter to put in with the sugar scrub, we got ribbons to decorate the jars with, we got glue sticks. Oh, and I also figured that would be a cute little addition to the baskets. Okay, so these are the tubs that I got from the dollar store for $1. And it's the perfect size to put the bath stuff in, and then it, clasps right here so that so that it's airtight. Okay, got Mother's Day card for my sister and a Mother's Day card for my mom. I need to get a Mother's Day card for Nana. And yeah, Nana. Nora calls her Nana. And these are the baskets. What? So these are the baskets. We'll show you later, but these are the baskets that we have. Excuse me, to put the jars in. So it's kind of cramped right here, but anyways, you get the idea. So wish us luck because we're about to start. We have some sugar over here. I'm also making a dessert. I'm responsible for the dessert for Mother's Day. Hold on. And my sister's coming to town and we're gonna eat and stuff. So I have the dessert. So I'm either gonna do a cake with buttercream icing, homemade, of course, or and I'm gonna put pudding. Yeah, I'm gonna put pudding inside of it, or I'm gonna do my normal vanilla. Ari, banana pudding. So I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. Wish us luck, because God knows we might need it. Yep. I'm gonna do our vlog. You ready? Hey guys. Just kidding. Okay. Bye. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what angle we want to do. Okay, right here, guys, we got a new dishwasher. We're gonna need to. Does it smell like moldy water? I want it focused. Ready? No, not ready. Alright, y'all, so we have all the stuff that we need. So we're starting on our bath salts. So we're going to do that first. And my lovely assistant right here. But anyways, we're going to get started with the bath salts. Okay, so for the bath salts, this is the ingredients for the bath salts. 1 cup Epsom salt, 1 cup Himalayan sea salt, a half a cup of coarse kosher salt, and 10 to 20 essential oil drops, and then 2 to 5 drops of food coloring. So, let's get started. Alright, we're going to do the 1 cup of Epsom salt. This is the kind we have. Ooh, fancy. And this has lavender in it, so we're going to go ahead with the lavender. Let's do the lavender. Alright. So this is 1 cup Epsom salt. Okay. So that's 1 cup of Epsom salt. Now you want to do the 1 cup of Himalayan sea salt. So this is the Himalayan sea salt that we just so happen to have in the drawer, thank God. But I don't know about getting a whole cup of it, but we'll see what we can do. So leave with me. mixing the onion together. Look at that. Yeah, let me see if they can see. Should we grind these? Alright, so then we're going to do 10 to 12 oil drops. Alright. So now we're gonna do lavender. This thing is good. Yeah, just that one goes just do yeah. It's sometimes less is more because they were saying on the thing about like less fragrance because that's skin. And it already has the lavender, so we can save that for other stuff. Cool. Alrighty, looking good. Hold on. Okay, excuse me. So it says the last step is to do food coloring. So I'm going to do purple food coloring. Since it's lavender, we're going to do like a light purple is what we're going for. So it says 2 to 5 drops of food coloring. So here we go. See? This is the world's worst. 1, 2. You should use the water. It's not going to fill up for me. There's going to be a lot more of that pink salt. Oh, this could be... That's going to be 1 or 2 people. Okay. Yeah, like Joseph's mom and Nancy. Ready? Okay. This is the lavender salt.
Okay, so, new sugar scrub. It's kind of nice to me with lavender, for the same thing. Anyways, 2 cups of sea salt with 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil, and 10 to 15 drops of like lavender or essential oil. Okay, so 2. Okay, that's not. I'm gonna do 2 of the half cups because I didn't do 2 Alrighty, guys. Okay. Alrighty. Now, where's the tablespoon? Alright, so stand clean. Here is 1 tablespoon. It says for. It looks like pink.
Should we add more?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, it's white and natural. No one too much.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna 45 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm gonna put this in a separate bowl and mash it up.
Maybe.
Okay.
Turn.
We got 45 tablespoons. Okay. 45 tablespoons. Oh, I put 1 drop of purple food coloring, so this is kind of. We put too much food coloring. Okay, and then we're done with this. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Okay. Never mind. Helping.
Good job. He's helping. Good move. Okay.
You're done, so I'm gonna give you one help make stuff. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be like half of. Should probably have Michael's natural. Okay, so we're trying to fill these up. I don't think that's gonna work. We're gonna have to make like 2 or 3 to fill it up. I should they wrap something out. Anyways,
We'll see.
I think you know the same thing. Oh no, where's the whip? Do you have a recipe for the whipped thing? Okay.
All the whipped is coconut oil, softened
How much?
with whatever essential oil you want to do. That's it.
Okay, cool.
So it's simple enough.
Or okay, cool.
We'll be back. So this is the cleanup. We had like a little bakery line going in, but we're getting all this cleaned up so we can go to bed. It is now like 12:45. This is the stuff we're gonna deal with tomorrow. But the first step was getting everything into the jars. Now then after that we can put the stuff in the bags and wrap it up and all that. But I'm so excited. Here are the baskets, and we just ended up doing all lavender just to keep it simple. Awesome. I love mason jars. So we got these perfect little canisters, and they turned out really cute. These are Ari's that she did, the sugar scrub, and they look really pretty.
This was the workshop.
And then we're gonna put like little bows around them and tag. Oh look, and the tags fit perfect on here.
Oh my gosh, right.
So, anyways, we're happy with how they turn out.
Mom.
What? So, okay, so
Notice their projects.
yes, thank you.
Okay.
So we are now completing our baskets. We're borrowing a mixer so that I can whip this up and put this into the other jars, and we're trying to finish up, and then we're gonna do a cake.
I can't put these in there because that clashes because there's like 3 different shades.
Do it. Is the filler that I got at the Dollar Tree. A lot of the stuff came from the Dollar Tree. This is, I mean, not the actual product though, of course, but the filler did, and like these little jars did. So this is the bath salts, and I just hot glued the flowers on top, and then I'm gonna put them in here. And then this is the sugar scrub in here. And then we have the whipped body butter in the fridge because that's gotta stay cool so it doesn't melt. And so here's the body butter. I didn't have enough to quite fill up all the jars, but this is what this stuff's going to look like together. But we're going to have to put this in a little bag separately because it's got to stay in the fridge. I want to go ahead and wrap the baskets up so that we don't have to wait. And then look, I put that there, and then there's that one. Look at this mess, Moody. That's what I say. Ooh, just walk away. Look at this. Oh my gosh, what a mess. This sweet girl right here has been helping me so much. The baskets look so cute. This one's for Joseph's mom. Oh wow, good job, Mari. This one is for Christy. This one is for Mom. And I put pictures in the back. I've got little nail stuff and fingernail polish somewhere in there. Where's Mom's fingernail polish? Is it in there? Oh yeah, nail polish. And nail files, Godiva bar, and the salt and sugar. And then the body whipped cream is in the fridge. We're gonna pull that out before we leave. Then this is Nancy Poo's. We've always called her Nancy Poo. And yeah, so, and Ari did this. That is so cute. I love how you wrapped it around here, around the handle. Good job, they're so cute. What are you doing, girl? Yes. And then here's our new dishwasher. And it's really quiet. You cannot even hear it. Yay. Oh no, don't wipe it on your shirt. No, girl. We gotta get a napkin. Don't wipe it on your pretty shirt. Is it good? Paris, back up.
I'm on. Don't eat it! Oh my god. You just took it and really don't want to eat it!
Alright, we hold